Hey there, I'm Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend so far. Meteorologist Jill Gilardi and I just made it back from Graysville. Had a wonderful visit up there for the Fire Prevention Expo earlier today. And with the clouds around, it made for a comfy start to this Saturday. Perfect day to have the event, and there was a great turnout. I'll be sharing some pictures later on tonight and talking a lot more about that particular event. You know, one thing we're talking about is this change that we have in the weather. You know, it feels great. It's dry at the moment. Here's a current sweep on Viper and no precipitation in our area, but you go just south of Alabama and in the Gulf of Mexico, rain is building here, and looks like the Gulf of Mexico is really going to open up tonight and into the day tomorrow, and a setup we haven't seen in quite a while. Looks like some periods of rain possible tomorrow across the area. Relative humidity at 52% this afternoon, up just a bit. The temperature at 77 in Birmingham, right around 2 o'clock. That's not a bad observation. We'll certainly take that, but even though the models have been all over the place with this thing, and that's one of the reasons I'm really throwing the hour-by-hour RPM model out the door at the moment, because it's having a tough time picking up on this setup overnight. But we can clearly see on the water vapor image that the moisture is building to the south, and that is starting to lift northward. So we're forecasting after midnight a decent chance for showers, and as that moisture continues to overrun the state tomorrow, look for some periods of light rain, and could be heavy in a few spots, along with the chance for some storms. So kind of a rainy day, rainy Sunday setup across the state of Alabama, and by Monday we should have the wet weather tapering off. So that's the latest, at least in the short term. So late tonight, after midnight, look for those showers to start building in here as clouds thicken, and then tomorrow, periods of rain, a few storms, east-northeast wind at 5 to 10, highs in the 70s with those clouds and showers around. And it looks like we dry out for a couple of days, and a strong cold front rolls in here later in the week, perhaps some storms followed by some very cold weather into next weekend. We'll be talking a lot more about that. Plus, we'll have a radar check as we track this developing rainmaker tonight on the news. It looks like we're going to be a bit late tonight because we've got college football on Fox 6, but do stick around. We'll have updates then, and of course on our weather blog at myfoxtracker.com. Have a great evening.